Hey viewers, in this video, I will guide you about Benson AI, an automatic investing platform. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important step. Let's get started. Benson AI is an automated investing platform designed to make stock market participation easier using artificial intelligence. Here is a quick overview of its features and user feedback. Each month, Benson AI provides a curated list of 10 high-performing stocks. User can choose their preferred investment and link their brokerage account to automated trading. The platform manages weekly trades and portfolio adjustment, all while giving users control over budget and trade approvals. User experience with Benson AI are mixed. Some people appreciate its simplicity and automation, saying it streamlines the investing process and save time. However, discussions on forums like Reddit reveal skepticism about AI-driven investing, with some suggesting the widespread use of might reduce the effectiveness of these strategies over time. Benson AI strives to make investing more accessible through curated stock picks and AI-powered automation, while some find value in its user-friendly approach. Others remain cautious about fully relying on AI for financial decision. As with any investment protocol and platform, it is important to do your own research and align your choices with your financial goals. That's it.